This is the base, and this is the wire, the main wire. This the electric side. From another side, put it here inside. Turn this one to be same line. Enter from here to here. Take the first one. Here it's blue, here no. Put this inside. And turn. Then it will be so tight from here down. Another part to face the same, so you can put in any face. This is the main column. One has two lines. One line, put it inside, and another line to here inside. Just press here and put to inside. Then take from back, take it. And let this here to enter inside. We can see from here and here, we take. Then we pick this one and we turn it. All its die. Then we go down to this area and we close this one. We put and close, and we take out this tape and we fix it here to be safety to the floor. Okay, I didn't fix, but this is the way.